Imagine turning micro movements in the NASDAQ market into real profits, live right before your eyes. In my live streams, I'll take you straight into the action of scalping NASDAQ futures. Watch as I analyze price action, volume, and order flow to identify scalping opportunities in this fast paced market. You'll see my trade setups, live executions, and detailed performance breakdowns, all in real time. Stay tuned and follow my journey as I work to master the art and skill of scalping NASDAQ futures. Good morning, good morning. Sorry for all the noise. Good morning, Applejacks. Good morning, Sam. How are you guys this market? I just read pre-market. How are you guys this morning? Good morning. As you guys can see, I'm flat. I am sitting out for the news. I wrote something down wrong, and I'm just realizing. No. All right, the market's moving a little too fast for me, to be honest with y'all. It would probably be better if I kind of wrote things out the way I did on my last cheat sheet, but I tried to create like a real cheat sheet, and now I don't know if I like the way that I did it this way. I feel like it's gonna take me too long to find what I need versus how I had it the first time. So I might end up rewriting it, possibly while I'm on the stream, to be honest with y'all, cause this ain't gonna work. But I don't know, we'll see. Let's see. You traded London, you're sleepy? How did it go? Got the green going up on the open. What is going on? You have to find exit all orders button on trade station. Ay, ay, ay. I'm sorry to hear that. Oh, good morning, Amelia. How are you this morning? All right, we got a few more minutes before I can trade, but we also have 9 o'clock high impact news, so I probably really won't be able to do too much until after the high impact news, but I am risking 25% per trade again, only trading the Top Step account. Yeah, that's the vibe for today. I really feel like I need to rewrite this, but I guess I could try. Hold on, let me get a piece of paper. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, y'all. I was talking to my mom. Where's Chanel so I can brag about my healthy breakfast? You need to be bragging about what you did in London. Can you tell us what you did? Hello? All right, I'm gonna wait until I'm gonna wait until 8:53 to start to try to redo this because I don't know. It just feels so. Maybe I should have printed that one over. I don't know. I'm gonna try to rewrite this a little bit because I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it at all. I feel like things are just too. I don't know. Maybe I just have to get used to the placement of how I did this. That's probably what it is. Oh shoot, I can start trading again. All right, let's go see what the market's looking like. It's not actually. Yeah, the markets are moving a tad bit too fast. And with this being a new strategy, I don't know. It's moving a little too fast for me to be able to see what I need to see. Alrighty. Yeah, we're doing too much here. Probably actually be easier for me to trade order flow today, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not. The volume is lovely. It is very lovely. You were 1 for 1 in London. Okay, thank you. Cause let us know something. I trained in London and I'm so sleepy. Okay, well, how did it go, ma'am? You know the vibes. You know the drill. Yeah, this volume is crazy, actually. Okay. I will say that so far, now I do have like a whole side of my cheat sheet that I don't really have filled out much. I'm still not sure what I'm looking for as far as the volume patterns go. But the other side, I'm just fine with. And so far, every time it's set up, it has been invalid and it has lost because of the invalidation. So that's a good thing. $5.93. Gotta get away from this sell rotation level. I can only trade for like another 2 minutes and then I have to stop for high impact news. So like I said, probably won't do much until. Yeah. was invalid, and there's the loss. I wonder if with this method I can go to a slightly higher Renko size. That would slow it down a little bit, and it would make it to where I could trade my funded futures if I decide I want to do that, and probably a few other companies, because there's some other companies that have micro scalping rules as well. I wonder. I would probably only go up to 20, which isn't that much of a difference, but it is at the same time. Actually, I'm not gonna turn my heater on. I want to turn it on so bad, but it's just gonna make me cough. Now, what I am thinking though is that I probably won't end up using this side of my cheat sheet that's kind of blank, because I really haven't seen consistent patterns that win. It might be that that side is just going to be blank. And then, you know, I told you guys that if I get enough setups with the pullbacks, I'm fine. I don't really need to add anything, but I probably will at some point just because. So we'll see. All right, I gotta stop for news again. Why I get on your nerves? Because I want to update. What is this? Oh, rhythmic. Okay. All right, so we'll be waiting until 9:02 to trade again. But yeah, like I was saying, I think this whole right side is probably not gonna be much of anything. Yeah. It might end up being that literally only one pattern works when this particular volume swing happens. So we'll see. I don't know. I don't know. But I kind of do like only trading the pullbacks, I'm not gonna lie. I do. I really do. All right, I'm gonna go back and see if I missed anything. Sometimes I like to do that during the news breaks. So let's see. All right, we gotta change twice. There's that. That one's invalid. So one thing that I've noticed, like counter trend so far, is what it looks like. It's very inconsistent. Basically counter trend, when I'm trying to get into this sell right here, if there's more volume in this swing, if there's more volume in this reversal bar up than the previous reversal bar up, most of the time this sell is not going to work. So this particular one only went, it looks like 16 ticks. So I would have came one tick from my stop loss moving to break even, and it would have lost. But basically it kind of makes sense, because you think about it, if we're counter trend, right? If there's more volume in this swing than the previous one, that means that the buyers are trying to push the market back up. They're not trying to allow the counter trend, the sellers, to make a push down. And so it kind of makes sense that that pattern literally doesn't work. The only thing that might end up working out possibly, which actually I'm pretty sure I already attempted this. Let's see. Counter trends. Yeah, that's actually not gonna work. Or actually it might. I don't have anything down for that. So the only thing that might work is maybe if there's more volume in this reversal bar than that one, because then that would make sense. Like we need more sellers to try to push the buyers back down. But I don't know. So far I just don't have anything because nothing's working out for it. But we'll see. All right, let's see if I missed anything else. Like I said, the market was moving just a little too fast for me. Just a little. All right, that one doesn't count. Looking at this one. Oh, that's the pattern I'm not really sure of yet. I really just don't think it's gonna work out though. Zigzag's not attached to the right bar on that one. That one might have worked actually. Oh, I didn't take it because I would have had to break even. That's actually why I didn't take that one. So this one, the pattern worked. And you can see we pushed up 36 ticks. I'm only looking for 18. But I would have had to break even at the zone. And it literally hit the zone, came down, hit the break even level, and then took off. So I'll draw one of these. That one doesn't work. Hopefully the market can slow down just a little, just a tad when we come out of this news. That would be nice. Very nice. Oh, I also think I do need to actually draw the overnight highs and lows again, because I think they actually matter all over again when they didn't used to. The overnight levels. This is the overnight high. Damn, I forgot to lock it. They actually automatically draw, but it's very difficult for you guys to see it on the screen over there, so I have to find the low real quick. Oh, it's all the way down there. Oh wait, Sand, hold on. That's not what he was saying. Up 1810, but stressing out over your brokerages. Yeah, this has been it's very interesting because everybody just thought that we were gonna get a Trump pump in the market, and not so much. Not so much. Yeah, stay out of Janelle's way today. Agree with your Renko. Oh, that's what you were saying. I knew it wasn't what Miss Applejacks was talking about, but no. I always start off sitting up high in my seat and then I just slowly. But yeah, I like have this thing written out, and I kind of wrote it out this way, like just in case I ever decide to like make a video teaching people, I guess, like it, whatever. But I kind of wrote it out as to how the volume of the swings and the volume of the reversal bars are telling me who's in control, and that kind of helps me to figure out what exactly I'm looking for as far as what my entry bar needs to look like in comparison to those reversal bars. So far I kind of have it to where it makes sense, but because I did just finish making the adjustment late last night, I don't remember that stuff. I just know kind of what I'm not looking for the most part. Oh shoot, I'm sorry, I don't mean to keep that part on. But yeah, so it looks like I didn't miss anything, which is good. I know what I need to do to, okay. 97. I know exactly what I need to do. That would help out tremendously. I know how to fix what I'm looking. Okay. Because the way I had my other cheat sheet was just so much easier to look at. So I think I figured out what I need to do to fix that. Because I'm basically having to look at things backwards a little bit. And I don't like looking at things backwards. That's the problem. I know how to fix it. I'll deal with it today, but I'm definitely going to fix the way I have this written though. Oh my God, I hate the way I wrote this. All right, no, I literally have to rewrite this. It's gonna drive me crazy. Give me a second, y'all. This is gonna piss me off. If I miss trades, so be it. I it's gonna be too hard for me to find what I'm looking for. And I'm probably, what the hell? Oh yeah, I'm not trading this shit. This reminds me of last Monday. The market shouldn't even be looking like this. All right, let me fix this. That I don't know. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm almost done. I literally, I have to be organized a certain way for things to make sense, and that did not make sense the way that I wrote that out. Oh, why is the market moving like this? This is too much. Part of me wants to try to switch to a 20 tick chart right now, but I'm not gonna do it. I want to. Okay. I think I fixed my issue. I literally cannot look at that. I can't. All right. So because we're after 9 o'clock already, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and risk half of the account. I'm just gonna go for 5 contracts each trade. Go for the max. And hopefully the way I just rewrote this will make sense, because no. What's the 500? Actually, I kind of don't want to do that. I don't know. I don't know anything right now. Okay, let me make sure this actually makes sense the way I just did it. Yeah. Okay, yes, that's way better. All right. Okay, so that's a no fill right there, but that would have been a setup. Not everyone knows people thought. Wait. What you talking about, Amelia? Those people still looking for it, like you guys gonna be looking. Oh, I know what you're talking about now. The pump. Yeah. Good morning, Trenches. How are you this morning? Your $150 stop losses keep getting hit. How wide is your stop? This market is moving a lot. Like a lot. A lot. Okay. 236 greater than that. close might not be all the way right on this one, but we'll see. Oh, it came back and hit my stop loss. You gotta be shitting me. How? That's not right. Oh, yes it is. You freaking bastard. All right. Next one. Yeah, I made that so much easier. Boom, boom, boom. Greater than that. Yeah. Yeah, okay, we fixed it. Now I gotta fix my official cheat sheet. It was literally one tick from taking profit on that trade. Dirty, dirty. If you look on the inside, you can see this is the bar that changes my stop loss to break even. So we literally hit the level, broke even, and then took off, basically. Dirty. Very dirty. $141. Now that I'm looking at things from a volume perspective, a lot of times when the zigzag changes, like right after the bar closes, it makes so much more sense. Like, so much more sense. $407. See what I mean? How the zigzag just changes so quickly, like right after the bar closes. It's all starting to make sense. That trade wasn't valid. It's starting to make sense. And you guys know my zigzag is volume based. I don't know really how it's calculated, but you don't even have your work clothes off yet. You got straight to the markets. Hits your TP but doesn't exit the trade. You close out, Janelle? Good morning, Paul. How are you this morning? Did you? You must have liked it. You must have liked it, Paul. Traded Asia, took the trade thanks to Aaron trades, no bracket orders. Nice, nice, nice. I never heard of Aaron trades either. See, I love how we're trying to adjust to what the market is giving us instead of sitting here just complaining, you know? All right, 5 contracts it is. So what I really just want to do, if I can get back to full drawdown on this Top Step account, that's all I really care about. To get to full drawdown, I need to be in profit 994, and to get to my highest balance, I need 1,001. So even though I like to stop at 10 o'clock, because this account renews tomorrow, I'm probably just going to keep going until either the account blows or we get back to full drawdown. Either one is fine with me. That's the plan, more than likely. I don't have anything else to do today. I don't need to get off. So we'll see what happens. What'd you do to your back? Oh, he traded. Aaron trades. All right, just looking for us to get past this rotation level off the previous lower, or the last higher low. Did I forget to write something? I'm so slow. I wrote it in the wrong spot. Still having trouble pushing through there. I'm really hoping that I can really get rid of order flow, which I think is going to be able to. I don't even have my order flow chart up. Well, it's in the other tab of my Renko chart, but I'm not looking at it in any capacity. I'm not worried about imbalances. I'm not worried about anything. I think I should be okay without it. I think we just gotta push beyond. Not, I didn't draw this precisely. All right, that's better. Still having trouble pushing past the higher low over there. Right here is where we keep stopping. We were stuck on the previous higher low as well. $235. All right. Well, there's the push. Like, what is that? Y'all. I wouldn't get filled even if I wanted to. If this is how Mondays are gonna be, I'm gonna stop trading Mondays. This is literally insane. Why is the volatility like that? And switching to a 20 tick chart wouldn't even help me. It's gonna literally do the same thing. All right, so we'll wait like 5 minutes to see if the market slows down. This is so annoying. I swear, I promise y'all, the closer I get to figuring things out, the more the market just hates me. It does not want me to succeed. It does not want me to be a willing participant. Look at this 5-minute candle. Hello? Look at it. This 5-minute candle opened at 115. We are at 258. Here's a better view now that I've deleted all the zones, because it doesn't matter. I can't trade the shit anyway. This is literally insane. We came like a couple ticks from touching the overnight low, sorry. And we've retraced this entire move. This is where we had a little congestion right when the market opened last night. Like, come on. Like, come on. I feel sorry for anybody that was just in sale. We just retraced this entire, I don't know if y'all can see, that background is kind of light, but I believe this is where the market opened. This is the high. We just retraced this entire thing in one 5-minute candle, and it's not done. From low to high, the low was 113.50 of this candle. The high was 329.75. We just went up 200 points in 5 minutes. What the? Child. I have no words. And I can't participate. Trump and Mexico talking. Tariffs delayed. My goodness. Trenches said that Trump is in Mexico talking. Oh, not in Mexico. Trump and Mexico are talking about the tariffs. I'm sorry. The old boots you're wearing doesn't help. They're too flat. Get you some new ones. Later, Janelle. Get some rest. We'll see you tomorrow. I swear, San, I needed to slow down. It's insane. You caught the reversal? Trisha said, what is Trump doing? Explain myself what I did. Girl, you see, I'm not even looking at the charts at this point. This is not tradable for me. He's talking to Canada at 3. So basically, there's nothing I could do today. I mean, honestly, at this point, every reversal bar up, I might as well just take it. I hate to be that person, but I might as well. Why not? Look at that. Like, I need y'all to see the inside. Uh-oh. I need y'all to see the inside of these. Like, almost every reversal bar up looks like this. I would never get filled. Look. Just takes off. There's nothing there. See, these are the days like I can't even journal this right because I wouldn't be able to get into these trades anyway. And yeah, so I can't even like count this in any of my data. I mean, I could count everything that happened right before all of this craziness just happened, but I can't count any of this because literally this is what I was talking about when I was trying to do the volume and order flow combination. Like on the super trendy days, um, you know, everything works because there's so much volatility and there's so much volume. Literally everything works. But then when you get back to a normal volatility day or a day with normal volume, all the things that you thought were going to work, you know, based off of your data won't actually work. See, the other problem with stuff like this is when you get stopped out when you're scalping, this is the day where I'm definitely going to lose more than what I'm supposed to. But we'll see if things slow down a little bit. I'll wait till like 9:45. Like I said, I'm going to stay on even though volume is going to slow down significantly. But maybe because the volatility is super high right now, when it slows down after 10 o'clock, it'll be like more normal. But I'm going to keep trading until we either blow this account or we get to 1,000 in profit. So I don't know how long I'm going to be on, but as soon as either one of those things happen, I'll be getting off. Like, do y'all see this? 60, what does that say? That might say 87. 87 volume in this swing, 74 in that swing. That's not normal. Like, you don't really see swings with very little volume like that. Like, less than 100 is not normal. I want him to stop talking to whoever he's talking to. Amelia, I'm just as lost as you are. Love it, but I never had this happen. I don't love it. Maybe if I was already trading like back to my counter trend divergence as well. Yeah, but to trade pullbacks like this is it's just not tradable, unfortunately. I have to remind myself even like when I start looking at counter trend divergence, because what I'm probably gonna end up doing is only trading pullbacks and counter trend divergence and leaving it at those two. But yeah, until I see more normal volume in the swings, I'm not touching this. Excuse me. For shits and giggles, there's the 5-minute chart just so you guys can see what's going on at the same time, because I'm not trading this mess. I just know. Amelia, what did Nutty say when the chart start moving like that? I know he was like, "Whoa, what is going on, you guys?" Like, this is literal insanity. 'Cause like I said, I feel bad for anybody that was in sales when that happened. Cause 25% off the expert plan with my funded futures. Still not really normal. Like, for this to be a push of 33 ticks with only 91 volume, that says a lot. So the market's still too volatile to trade right now. And really, I'm too sleepy for this shit. I guess this is just gonna be the way of the rest of the day, huh? Because it's not slowing down. But I don't want to just take buys on every reversal where the minor trend is showing that we're in an uptrend. But shit, at this point, that looks like the move. Like, as long as the zigzag's attached to the right bar and we aren't rotating over the buy rotation level, it looks like I might as well just take buys. But I don't want to do that. I'm just not that person. I don't want to create bad habits like that. I just don't. Just don't. Goodness. All right. I feel like we might be slowing down a little bit. Just a little bit back to normalcy. Maybe. Not really. I lied. I don't know. Let's see if we break up to an uptrend. Let's just see how it reacts. If we can break up to an uptrend. Looks like it's weakening may go. Mexican president will hold a press conference shortly. Today will be a news-driven day. Got to keep Bloomberg or CNBC on. Well, I need to do that for trenches. This is what you for. Thank you. I think Trump is shaken by Canada and Mexico. Child, he's so insane. Probably not. Probably not. Oh my God, people. This is just not it. It's just not it. It's just not it. It's just not. But something's got to happen with this account. So Like I said, let's just see if after 10 o'clock it just slows down some so I can trade it. Otherwise, because I don't really want to come back for power hour. I'm just not that girl. Coming back to the charts, I'm just not. I don't want to. And then what did Paul say about 3 o'clock? One of the conferences is at 3, so I definitely don't want to do that. Y'all, this market stresses me out. I promise y'all, every time I feel like I'm close to something, every time. I probably actually, well, I didn't want to get in because the market's just still moving a little too fast for me, but I actually had the ability to get into this one like ahead of time. I just didn't because I still don't really know what the market's doing. But I definitely had the ability to get into that when I actually saw it as it was happening. I really hate this market. I just want y'all to know. I hate it. So annoyed. Netty's up a little bit. This ORB worked. Come on, market. Just give me some form of normalcy. All right, we're kind of slowing down. Not really. Like we are, but we aren't. They're gonna start talking. Taking profit resistance is at 450. Yeah, my resistance level is at 447.75, so it's pretty close to yours. Damn, I missed that one. Okay, so I can start trading again. It looks like. It looks like greater than no level. All right, yeah. I can look at the volume on the swings until it's kind of pretty much back to normal. So this sell is something I didn't used to do, but I think I can do it now. So we're gonna do it if it sets up. But yeah, I used to not like the pullbacks that happen at the zone like that. Trench is gonna have me having Bloomberg on my phone to the left of me. You just gotta make sure you hear every day so you can tell me what I need to know. Gone off in that area over the past week. Interesting. Very interesting. Oh, my leg. $89. Zigzag wrong color. At the VWAP. I missed this spot right here. I forgot I made that to where I could take pretty much anything with that. Yeah, I missed this spot right here. Right? Yeah, I did. Okay. Damn. I wanted us to reverse before changing back to the minor trend being a downtrend. Almost got there. So I don't like to see a color change twice. So that's the first change. That's the second change. So I don't like that. Zigzag's not attached to the right bar. And we're inside the change zone. $26 trade you was talking about. Oh yeah, the golden zone. But it looks like it would have lost. It might have already. Did we hit 426 already? Because also it has to come from 50. So yeah, it already got hit today since the high is at 453. So the first time when we hit 450 and came down to 426, that would have been the trade. I gotta go back and see when we did it. No, I would have stopped out. I would have stopped. No, actually it wouldn't have. That's crazy. Because the stop loss would be 15 points. So the stop loss would be at 11. And we came down to 11.25 and bounced back up. So this is when it happened. When we created the new high up here at 453, we came down. 26 is like up in here. The stop loss is 11, and you can see we hit 11.25, 11.50, 11.25, and we bounced up. That's crazy. And the TPs are 33 and 50. So the first TP would have gotten hit, but not the second one, I think. Yeah, good morning, Granny. Oh my God, I just went all the way to the... All right. I still don't really like the volatility that much, if I'm being completely honest. But that's what I get for looking at that, because this setup right there. Okay, I'm gonna concentrate. I'm going to concentrate. Oh, that was a perfect sale too. Now, if I would have gotten filled, who knows? 0, 4, yeah, it was like 1.4 seconds between the close of the bar and the entry bar. All right, let's see what we do here at the VWAP. I would have gotten filled there too. All right, yeah, we're normal again. I just had 2 setups in like, I don't know, a minute and a half. Why is that drawn so far over? All right, let's do this. It's not valid. Very crazy market today, Apple checks. Buy at the top of the box. I can't do that just because it's there. It's tough dealing with Trump. Yeah, I agree, Sam. Didn't Biden give Ukraine hella money? I have no idea, Clay. I honestly don't pay attention to politics. I've said it a couple times on my channel. I just feel like whoever's in office, they're going to do what they're going to do, and that's just that. So no matter who's in office, you got to figure out how to survive. That's just how I see it. Dollar dropped off this morning too. You missed the push down. Well, I missed those two setups, and that would have put me at 1,800 in profit overall on the account. 800 for the day, and I just need to get to 1,000. But like I said, I'm gonna stay on until I breach the account and fail it, or we get to 2,000 $2,000 balance. One of the two. All right, let's see how we react at this lower high over here. If we could push through it or if we're gonna head down. Okay, we're gonna head down. Just a volatile market Monday. Yes, that's exactly what this is. I have got to. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. 69. All right. Are we going to change back to an uptrend then? Taking tariffs off the table for a month while they work on national security. All right. Trenches, I don't know how you trade and listen to people talk. Well, I guess you do it when you're listening to me stream. But that, I can't have that going on in the background. I can't. I can't do it. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh, that's a late entry. That's all right. Doesn't even matter. See what I mean? I was supposed to be in the trade, but it was a very late entry. And it doesn't matter because everything works. All right, well, we're up 415. I need about 580 to get back to full drawdown. So we'll see. I just feel really weird trading after 10 o'clock because I'm supposed to be done now. But we'll see what happens. Yeah, I got in maybe like 4 ticks late. I can't see what that says over there. Where's my entry? Why is it not showing me in my data box? Whatever. Y'all look at this. It's melting. Like, please, market. I really want to go back to sleep. That's what I really want to do. But I can't do it until we figure out what's going to happen with this account. Gosh. We can't do anything when the market's just painting swings, 17 swings in 1 second. Like, what the hell? What happened? What you mean, Paul? Oh, I got into a trade. I was supposed to be in it, but I was just a couple of ticks too late, but it still won, so whatever. Amelia, you're done. Yeah, Applejacks, you're rubbing off on Amelia. You keep missing the bear move. I just want more. You know what? Yeah, no, I do want full drawdown. I was gonna say if I win the next trade, I'm done, but I kinda, sorta, just maybe a little want the full drawdown. I do. I really do. But see, that's how you lose your accounts. But it doesn't matter because it renews tomorrow anyway. So it kind of doesn't matter. We'll see. This is not a good place to trade. I'm telling y'all, if I can get somebody to code, I'm gonna work on it again today after I take a nap. ChatGPT is failing me, okay? I might need to reach out to a couple of people and see how much they would charge to, or come on, market, please. Like, the fact that, do y'all see this? The fact that we're still like this after 10 o'clock. Oh, it's locked, but I can see it. That might help. I might be able to do it myself. Because all I need, the net change display displays a number based on things. So maybe if I could just figure out what in the ChatGPT code is trash and fix it. Actually, I feel like I saw somebody on Fiverr who doesn't charge a whole shit ton to code indicators. I might have to reach out to that person. Damn, I was looking for that reversal there. Because that's really what's screwing me. If I could just have the volume indicator tell me what the volume is in these reversal bars, it would make things so much easier. So much. But I did I did miss this buy right here. Of course. It'll actually help when I learn the rules too. Which, especially because they're significantly easier than my old ones. Alright, let's see how we break through this lower high. Can't take that. These charts today are crazy. They are. Take your money and run now. Yeah, the market is very bipolar. The black lady in Pakistan? No. What are y'all talking about? Down 550 today. Threw your money and ran. Oh no. Yeah, this is tough. I'm not gonna lie. Like, look at it. It just this is just all it's doing. Just doing whatever it wants. It's on crack. Today, you can call the Nasdaq Nascrack. Today, for sure. Absolutely. You can. I'm like, why does my lighting look so different? That's why. Forgot my LEDs weren't on. Makes no sense to take. Got a break even there. Push through anyway. It would have been a no fill, so it don't even matter. Come on, let's push through this lower high. Overheating. Okay. Oh my God, please. I just want to be a willing market participant. That's it. That's all I'm asking for. Jeez Louise. $240. Buy rotation levels there, so nothing I can really do about that. So I have to break even there. Watch it push straight through it. What'd I tell y'all? I literally said, watch it push straight through it. But see, when the market's this volatile, I don't like taking trades near where I need to break even because I'm always afraid that it's going to paint, hit the level, come reverse, take me out, and then keep going. So I didn't really want to chance that like that. But you can see it worked. But legit, you just never know when the market's painting like that. I would have gotten filled right there, and then it just literally pushed straight through. No more attempts to push up except this one little tiny tick right there. But that's literally the only reason I didn't take it is because of that buy rotation level being right there. Now, in normal volatility, sure, I'll take the chance because it's very easy to click the break even button. But the way that these like reversal bar will paint with 6 bars with it, like, I don't like that. I don't like it. You're negative 192 right now. I'm so confused. Women get assaulted for less over there. That is very true. 19-year-old. She's 19 and she's acting crazy in another country? It will just push up and back down. Exactly. Streamers are logging out. They blew their accounts. See? And that's as irritated as I be on days like this or like super duper choppy days. Man, I mean, I've had some red days, don't get me wrong, but I'm always happy that like I don't get to that point. Like I know when to stop. But also my strategy has never allowed me to go like super duper negative to where I'm blowing accounts either, you know? I think the most I've ever lost in a day per account is maybe like 700. I mean, which is a lot, and I wouldn't do that in PA, but it wouldn't have ever happened in PA because I wouldn't have had that many contracts on at a time anyway. But yeah, I'm not, y'all know, anytime I start seeing swings just painting all crazy, all right, y'all, I'm sitting out for 5, 10, 15 minutes. We'll wait till things normalize because I'm not risking that mess. Nah. All right, let's see if we push through. Nope, we're still rejecting at the lower high. This market structure indicator is probably one of my favorites. Legit. Especially because I like to be so zoomed in. So I don't want to keep my chart so zoomed out that I see where the last lower high is and have to manually draw the lines and stuff. The fact that it does it for me, I love it. I love, love, love it. All right, come on, market. Let's make some shake. I don't even really care which way it goes. Just do something. We need like 2 decent trades. Just 2. I'm not asking for much. I'm not asking for much. First of all, you're late. And yes, I'm talking to my phone. I thought I changed that to 10 o'clock. All right. The minor half trend's not in front yet, so I don't really want to take a trade yet. Because I believe that even if the middle one is not matching, as long as the minor half trend is in front, it doesn't really matter. Also, I'm starting to notice that, and this didn't matter before, but I don't really like when the entry bar doesn't touch anything. It either needs to touch one of my half trends or touch any level. It doesn't really matter, but it needs to touch something. I don't like when it touches nothing. Buy rotation is here. Now it's gone. We'll have to break even down there though. And there's too much volume in that swing anyway. I highly doubt that works out. I mean, too much volume in that reversal bar. Alpine likes to trade without stops. Yeah, he does. How many PAs do you trade, Gadasa? I don't trade any PAs yet. I have 2 PAs, but I don't trade them yet. My first PA I got back in March of last year. Took me like 6 months to trade it, and then I stopped trading it after about 6 weeks because I realized my strategy wasn't right yet. And then my other one I passed, I believe, in December. Yeah, December. Um, but once Trump got in office and the market moving the way it has been, I wouldn't say I've been struggling. I've actually had way more flat days than anything, which is very awkward. And so because of that, I got fed up and I've made actually, I'm not going to say an adjustment. I changed my strategy to get rid of order flow and only trade volume. And so I literally just started doing this on Friday, I think. Yeah, Friday. So yeah, what I'm trying to do is pass another 1 to 2 evals that I have, and then I'll feel comfortable enough to trade my PAs. But until then, I'm not risking it. I'm not in a rush. So yeah, I'm not risking it. I'm not that person that just wants to hurry up and get to PA and hope that I don't screw myself. I just don't like wasting money, and I would be wasting money on PA fees by, you know, trading knowing my strategy's not right. That just doesn't make sense to me. I understand why others do it. I do not. But yeah, I have 2 PAs with Apex, a 25K and a 50K. The 25K is the one from March. And I really just want to get to payout on it and then close it, because it's a Rhythmic account and my Top Step accounts are Rhythmic, so I can't connect to both of them at the same time, and I'm not buying that one copier that does it. I'm not doing that. So just waiting. Waiting until the time is right. So I want to be one of those people where I can say I've had my PAs for a long time, you know? Just my preference. She's 30 and she went to be with her not good child. What? Didn't do great. Sounded like he said, yeah, done today. I got you. Not she was only 30. She must have looked old as hell. I have 1.5K of drawdown to mess with. Yeah. Yep. Stay patient. But yeah, Paul, Alpine has always liked to trade without stops. He believes that stops is what screws him up. I don't think that stops are an issue. I think that if stops are an issue, and this is not just towards him, I'm just saying in general, but if stops are an issue, then it just means that the issue is your entry or the issue is your stop. You might have analyzed the market incorrectly. It could be a multitude of things, but I don't know. I could never trade without stop losses personally, ever. Just would not be able to do it. 151. Well, damn. I didn't want it to push up that far. All right, well. Now we're back to the uptrend. Pullback I'm looking for. I also, like, honestly, I might not do counter trend divergence. I might just only look at adding the divergence in the direction of the trend like this. Lower low to lower high to lower low. Push up. If I'm not too tired today, I might actually start looking at that, because despite what some people say, the trend really is your friend. Even though y'all do see me take you know, counter trend pullbacks, but if the majority of my trades can be pullbacks in any direction and then divergence in the direction of the overall trend bias, I'll be more than happy with that, because honestly, the pullback should give me more than enough setups. But again, like bitch. Did y'all see the way that swing just, like, why are we doing this? There's only 8 volume in these 20 tick swings. Like, what is that? Please stop, for the life of me, please. Oh my goodness, this is driving me nuts. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, y'all. I lost my train of thought. This is pissing me off. Jeez Louise. It made me so mad. I missed this sale right here though. Perfect sale. Golly. As you can see, I would have gotten filled for sure. My God. I can't even see the number on that. This is so irritating. Yeah, I lost my train of thought. I don't even know anymore. I don't know anything anymore. Like, it's after 10 o'clock. Can we just stop doing this? Damn, I missed the 2 trades that I needed to get back to full drawdown and get the hell off of these charts. I just don't understand, honey. I don't understand. You just sent, oh wait, you sent the link in Discord. Okay, I'm gonna look at it. Option days, blue mini accounts. 141 in the green. Check back after Mexico gives a speech about tariffs. Hey, you're back green. Nice, nice, nice. What was the most you were down today? Applejacks, I'm gonna watch it because, honey, I'm so confused by y'all commentary. Oh, y'all, one of my close friends has jury duty, right? So when we were on the game last night, he's like, all right, y'all, I got to get off because I got jury duty in the morning. So he's thinking that he just has regular jury duty where he's just there that day. He didn't realize he had grand jury duty, y'all. And so he texted me this morning. He said, what the fuck? I have grand jury duty. I said, Leo, that's the same thing that I had where I had to be there for 3 months. You got to go every week for 3 months. Well, he lives in Atlanta, so I don't know if they do it the same there. And he's like, what the fuck? And so I told him, I'm like, well, your job is supposed to compensate and pay you without using your PTO because it's your civic duty. So he's like, they fucking better. So I don't know if he's gonna stick to it or not. But it's crazy because he was chosen for grand jury without them doing the process that I had to go through. But I think that we only did that process when I went, is because I went for the regular jury duty. And because they didn't need us that day, they decided to use, since it was like over 100 of us, I think, they decided to use us as, you know, through the process of getting the next grand jury. But he's pissed, honey. Pissed. Ay, ay, ay. All right, what are we looking at here? 87. 87. $65. Nope. That's definitely not a valid trade. Unless we go up to that resistance level up there. Do you want to close or not? Yes, you do. It's invalid though. $1.5. Not interested in this. C223. We might push up for the counter trend move. $477. 62. Nope. Come on, just give me one more trade. I don't even need to. That poor soul. We only get like $25 for the day. We got, I think it was about the same, because I think it was like for the entire 3 months you got like maybe $250 or some I forget how much it was, but it was not a lot. And then they gave you like 7 cents per mile for a reimbursement. So yeah, it was practically nothing. Practically. No, don't close there. That's gonna rotate. But yeah, you get paid nothing. You caught the swing down through. Now, saying, I thought you was done. Sir, why are you still on the charts? If I get off, will you get off? You need to secure your profits. But I can't get off yet. I can't. I don't want to start off this way because right now this account only has $1,400 in drawdown, and we know likey. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Depending on how tomorrow goes, I might start trading on my other accounts by Wednesday, which y'all know I really hate starting something in the middle of the week. But the other accounts renew around the 15th and 16th of the month. So I basically only have this week and next week to trade. So I don't want to start trading them too late. But I feel like what I have so far, at least if I only take trades with the ones I already have rules for that I feel very comfortable with, then I think I'll be okay. Maybe, just maybe. We'll see. We will see. All right, come on, clear the higher low so I can freaking take another trade. My brain is turning to mush the longer I'm sitting here. But yeah, I really want to see if I can get this Apex account over the hump, man. It's just so disheartening to be so far away from passing it now when I was one trade away. 3 times. 3 fucking times. Makes me sad. All right, 83. No. No. I was looking to sell here and here. Both of those outside bars. I just knew we were going to reverse. Girl, you know nothing. Absolutely nothing. Oh my gosh. No. Damn it. Please, please don't make me stay on too much longer. Oh, God. Nothing I can do here. Let's see if we push through this resistance level. With more than 367 volume in the swing, preferably. Damn it, the zigzag's not attached. Oh my God. Of course. Of course. Buyers are super weak right now. You thought I was go nap? I want to go nap, but something has to happen with this account first. Damn it. Knowing me, I'm not even gonna nap anyway. I ain't gonna lie. We didn't pull back far enough. You almost caught me. Look at this. Look at it. The market wants me to stay here. Why? Why do you want me to be here? I no longer want to be a willing participant. No longer. Not enough volume in the so the pattern that I'm not ready to trade yet is like when we have a swing, you can see there's 250 volume in this one and 410 in this one. So the buyers are weak here. So I don't really know what I'm looking for in the reversal bar back up yet. So until I figure that out, when we're going in the direction of the trend, I just have to kind of sit out basically. I know what I'm looking for, counter trend for the most part. It's only one particular pattern I look for, but 48. There's no point in taking that. And now we've changed twice. Oh my God. People. Now, this buy rotation level is painted on a higher high, not a lower high. So I wonder if it works out, if it rotates over it. But the zigzag's not attached anyway. Of course it's not. Oh, doesn't matter. Just doesn't fucking matter. Nothing matters. Never had a trading session like this. Child, me neither. I thought last Monday was bad. Well, I mean, not bad, but you know, bad as far as like how volatile it was. And the crazy thing is, there was significantly more. That was Monday, right? Yeah, Monday the 27th. There was significantly more volume on the 27th than today because there was 650 by 10 o'clock. And we're still not even at 500,000 volume. That's the most insane part of all of it. I just don't know anymore. Just don't know anymore. Like, you would have thought there was way more volume today than that day. Because that day, the market was crazy, but you could still, like, catch most of the moves. Today is like, I look up and 5 swings done painted in a half a second. What am I supposed to do with that exactly? I don't get it. I don't get it. I just don't. I don't and I won't. At this point, I really wish Top Step was 10 contracts. So I could just throw 10 contracts on and just see what happens on the next trade. That's the one thing that sucks, is that I'm stuck with 5. My back is hurting. Alright, so 89. I'm really gonna have to redo my official cheat sheet to follow the pattern of what I'm doing right now, how I wrote it out. It's probably gonna be this. Market, please. Oh, live records. Why you in here trying to yell at me? My bot don't like people yelling at me. Reminds me of crack. What? Didn't see the session that one day back in March of 2019. I don't remember that far back. Baby, I barely remember what I did last week. You going back too far for me. Way too far. Oh man. Oh shit. I wouldn't have gotten filled anyway. I missed this sell, but it was a no fill. Didn't matter. You can see the bar reversed and it just took off. There was nothing. No fill. No fucking fill. My God. Please, market, please. At this point, I'd rather just blow the account just so I could freaking be done, bro. Seriously. I don't wanna look at the charts anymore. I really don't. I don't know how people sit on the charts all day. I don't. Especially like streaming too, and just I don't get it. I can't do it. I cannot. I'm literally at my wit's end, people. I am. All right, we got to change to a downtrend at this point. Which we didn't yet, so just waiting. We either need to do that or we got to continue with the uptrend, one of the two. But what it's doing right now, it's not going to work. All right, there we go. Now put more volume than 490. Don't reverse yet. No. Come on, buyers, give up. I don't know. I was gonna get into the sale, but we've now created a higher high. Oh, I missed it. I missed it. I fucking missed it. That trade right there is what sets up the most. And oh my gosh, I keep missing it. I keep missing it. That buy right there. That is like, when I tell y'all, volume wise, that is the best setup ever. It has set up like 5 or 6 times today and hasn't lost yet. And I just keep fucking missing it. Jeez Louise. Just wait until I embed that into my brain. You just wait. Just wait. Oh my gosh. It's so perfect. And it's so easy to remember too. I just haven't remembered it yet. Oh my gosh. That suspended trading for a little while because, oh really? Did it hit the what is it? Isn't it like a 7% halt? If it goes down or up 7%, that's when they halt the market. Is it 7%? I feel like it's 7%, but I might not be correct. Baby Amelia, I don't know what NQ is doing, but you know, I'm so sick of it. It was 2020. I feel like I remember a day when the market halted, but I just don't remember when it was. Like, please, I just want to go. But we're gonna be patient. See, I'm gonna tell y'all what irritates me the most when I stay this long. Even when I used to do this on the day before renewal and I would be off of the stream, what would annoy me is still trying to take my regular setups, and because volume and volatility is lower and I'm trading off of volume, then I start losing. Like, bitch, I could have just purposely lost during the session for all of that. That's how I be feeling. That's how I be feeling. All right, let's see what happens here. See, 166. Damn it. I needed it to pull back one more tick. I wanted to touch the half trend. I don't know if I can count this as a level since it's really the top of the zone. That's not. Okay, now I can. But we might pull back too far. Oh my God. I'm gonna take it. I don't really like how it's gonna close over both of those half trends, but you know, who cares at this point? I don't. I just don't. No, it followed my rules. But the way that I used to trade, if it closed on both of the half trends, I couldn't take it. So I didn't know if it was going to work out or not. But it did. All right, one more trade. I'm going to try for one more trade. I'm not too far away from being back to full drawdown. So part of me wants to close myself out at full drawdown. What should I do, y'all? Should I let the whole trade go or what? The other thing, though, is if my strategy, if I can get this to be only volume, no order flow, I might be able to continue to trade after 10 o'clock, even like, you know, if I want to hit a certain profit target or something, I might actually be able to do it. I don't know if it's just because it's today with all the volatility or what, but I mean, the reality is I would still like to be done beforehand though, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie to you. Less than or level. Well, I tried to get in. Y'all saw the order. I just didn't get filled. Bar closed, skip straight through. 7% for CME, but props are at 5%. I got you. Do you use any order flow tools? So David Snyder, I used to. Right now I'm trying not to use order flow, but because I'm using Renko's, there aren't very many order flow tools that work for Renko's, but this is the one that I used to use. And I could put it to where, oh, I actually can. You can see the numbers, you know, all the orders at each price level. The gold is where the POC is. You can see who's in control, and then you can see the delta of each bar. So back in the middle of November, that is when I incorporated order flow and volume together. But last Friday, I actually decided to try to ditch order flow and only go with volume. And it's only because I'm trading Renko's. If I was trading traditional candles, I would want to use a combination of the two, especially because for most volume indicators, like when you're trying to see what the volume of the swings are, they're going to repaint on time-based charts because of how it determines what is a swing. On Renko's, I don't have to worry about that. And what I've noticed for the 2.5 months that I was trading order flow with Renko's is that for the most part, the order flow is only happening in the way it was because of volume. So I'm trying to ditch it, especially because if I ever decide to teach it, it'll be a lot easier for me to teach it without having to incorporate order flow. Order flow can just be really complicated. And I honestly feel like my strategy is way more simplified by trading just volume. So we'll see. But the goal is to keep order flow away for now. Just for now, at least. 41. Just for now. And that order flow indicator actually does have it to where you can you know, put the profile on the right side of the screen. But again, because I'm trading Renkos, it does way too, it's just too much. Too much, at least for me to look at. Now, if I had like a 5-minute chart over there for you guys and put it on there, maybe, but for myself, it's a no. It's a no for me. But yeah, that's the only order flow tool that I use. I have a couple of other ones. Like there's a free one in the NinjaTrader ecosystem called an order flow kit, and it comes with, you know, seeing the volumetric stats and everything. Also comes with a book map and a couple, I think there's like 5 indicators that it comes with. Volume analysis, market volume, which I think is basically just like the volume up down. Book map, I said. The other, I forget what the 5th one is though, but yeah. Turn to resistance or support, but it's consolidating until somebody wins. Well, tell somebody to win so I can go. May have to wait for 130. Oh no, I'm not saying I only need one. I honestly could stop here because the reality is I'm only $161 away from full drawdown, so I could really stop here, to be honest with you. Do I want to? No, I do not. I really do not. I don't want to stop here, so I'm gonna keep going for now. I am. I don't really know if I like this sell here because I don't know if I would have to break even at the green line or not. I don't think I have to. But because my brain is mush at this point because I've been here for too long, I'm just not gonna take it. I need the price line on that chart. Would you look at that? So I guess I could have taken it. It would have came one tick from stopping me out though. Open of the reversal bar was 40, or what is that? I don't know. 43.75, and the high of the first reversal bar in that swing was 43.75. So I would have almost gotten taken out. But it worked. And like I said, the one thing I like about trading just volume is that a lot, when I say a lot of the trades that I could not take when I was taking order flow, and it could be that the way I was interpreting order flow could have been all wrong. Who knows? I mean, it was working though, but I tweaked myself to where I'm barely getting enough setups, and that just was not going to work for me. So yeah, I really think volume is what's most important. But again, only because I'm strictly trading Renkos. I would not suggest that for just traditional bars. 78. I don't know if I like it, but well, no, I don't like it anymore. There is so much volatility still. This is insane. I just need one little funky ass trade. Just one. I leaving you still. Not let her cook. Listen, Apple Jacks, I'm trying to get this last little funky ass trade in. I want to go in with full drawdown, damn it. But it's not looking too good. It's not. No, that's invalid. There's the loss for that because it's invalid. Applejack said I have extended my stay. 67. Oh my God. Every time I think we're about to do something, we are not. Come on, baby. Just one more trade. Just one. Just one. I'm not asking for much. Just one. Okay. Oh, it is the first of the month. I mean, not the first of the month, the first Monday. They do our tornado drills or tornado siren checks. Not a tornado drill like I'm in school. Saying, get off the charts now. NVIDIA gave up 117. That was major support. We need Sam to stop cooking. No more cooking. Turn your charts off. What are you doing? All right. The crazy thing is, with all of this crazy movement, the net percent change today right now is just 0.88%. That crazy retracement. Where's the 5-minute chart? 95. Oh yeah. See, this is why I'm gonna like volume only. Because even even though we've been sitting here like this looks terrible, but I still had quite a few setups in there. One I took, 1, 2, 3. There's like 5 of them in there that I didn't even take. Or 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 in there that I didn't take. And they were all winners. I might be onto something. Maybe, just maybe. Come on, get away from the rotation levels. My gosh. Is that it's an outside bar though? That still counts. Oh. Okay, you are off the charts. Okay, good. Might be break even after the chat in later. Are you still down? Or are you saying the like the net percentage change might be break even after they talk later? Which one are you saying? Come on, markets. I'm filming now. Yeah, I probably am just going to add the divergence and the direction of the trend and leave it at that. I really don't need much else. There's a lot of pullbacks that happen even when the market is really choppy. Um there's still a lot of pullback opportunities. And I actually feel comfortable trading the pullbacks on the counter trends and with the trend as well. So it kind of makes sense to really just stick with pullbacks. I honestly might not add anything else until I can kind of like get these rules embedded in my head. That way I don't confuse myself trying to add other stuff, you know? Oh, that was almost a setup. So I might stick to this. I'm just really ready to trade the other accounts too. But I'm gonna be patient. I got time. Plus, knowing that I'm gonna just risk 25% of my drawdown on each account anyway, even if I wait until next Monday, I should be able to do whatever in those 5 trading days. Hopefully. This is what I hate. I hate when the zigzag detaches itself like this. Because then if this bar closes up, now I have to manually calculate what the volume of the swing is. Oh, all right, it's more. We're good there. But I want us to get away from the sell rotation level though, if I'm going to get into a buy. Hi, Sissy. Alrighty. I highly doubt that buy works out. There's a lot of volume in that reversal bar down. Yeah. Of course. Of course. Come on, stop doing that. Doesn't matter, zigzag changed. I wasn't down talking about the market. Oh, I got you. Falling asleep. I'm finna go take a shower. All right, have a good rest of your day, trenches. I'll see you tomorrow. Working out overnight and trying to trade in the morning is hard as hell. Talk to you tomorrow. Thank you, Sam. This was a very tough day, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just trying to maintain my sanity and get this last little trade in. But honey, if it don't happen by 11:30, I might just have to go in with a little slightly negative drawdown. And I honestly would be okay with it, I'm not gonna lie. I don't want to do it, like especially if I have the ability not to, you know, but this is what has to happen. This just has to happen. I want us to clear the VWAP. Is somebody gonna turn the alarm off? Okay. Like, what are y'all doing? Yeah, we gotta clear the VWAP because both reversal bars can't both touch the VWAP. So it makes no sense to take because I will have to break even right there. All right, let's see. Are we really gonna push that high? My gosh. I wanted the pullback to happen before that. All right, I have to make sure. Okay, no, that's just where I drew that. So if it renews, no, saying that's not what'll happen. So basically, when this account renews, I'm gonna take my profit with me, right? However, what I like to do, if I'm gonna carry a balance over, I want to have full drawdown. You know, for instance, like with my Apex account, I have almost $1,300 in profit. However, I only have $900 in drawdown. So it's very easy to, you know, fail that even though I'm in profit, if that makes sense. um, Pretty sure. This will be a setup. Hopefully it is, and I hope it wins, because my God. Oh, I only got partially filled? You motherfuckers. Wait, no. Oh yeah, because I was a little bit more than okay, never mind. I got partials. Um, so yeah, so I would rather have full drawdown. That way it's like having a brand new account, but I'm in profit. You know what I mean? So I don't have the full drawdown, but she's gonna stop here because I'm sick of sitting here. But to have full drawdown, I basically needed to be back at $52,000 balance in this particular account. I'm at 1906. I am okay with having $94 less drawdown than I need to have. So yeah, so typically what I do is I'll either, like, if I'm not that much in profit, or if I'm already in like if I'm negative on the account, have a negative balance, I'll just purposely fail it. Now if in the process of purposely failing it I somehow end up getting back to full drawdown, then I'm cool. Like, as long as I'm going into the next month with full drawdown or almost full drawdown, I'm cool. This is almost is close enough. I'm done. All right. But it was very nice to see that this still works after 10 o'clock. And I really think I'm going to stick with this. Got my niece the flowers. Oh, what kind of flowers did you get her? Amelia, it was for a baby, it's 11:15. I was supposed to be done journaling, halfway done watching other people's streams and laying down. Okay. But not a bad day overall. Not gonna lie. It wasn't that bad. How many trays did I take today? I think 3, 4, 2. How many trays did I take? 1, 2, 3. I took y'all. That's why I got, oh, that was a break even. What? Wait a minute. Wait one motherfucking minute. Why did it do that? Now, hold please. What was that? Like 3, wait a minute. So I only got put in for 4 contracts, which is fine. I figured it was going to be a partial. I'm going to show y'all the inside of the bar so you can see why I knew it would probably be a partial. But on 3 of the contracts, I was filled at a TP of 1 point. And the other one was like 5 ticks. Bitch. Because I'm like, that shouldn't even be right. If I'm going for... My TP is $430. That's why I was confused. Like, how did I go from 833 to 900? But now I see. I wonder if it can't be the copier, obviously. I ain't copying nothing. Oh, that just pissed me off. Let's look at the inside of the bars. That's not even the break-even level. The break-even is up here. That's very weird. All right, so let's zoom in. So I'm not tripping off the partial fill. As you can see, so, you know, the bar closes, my entry is put here. And you can see inside of this bar, we literally touched it to the tick. There was about 50 volume in that bar. Cool. However, I don't really understand how I was taken out at break even here because my break even should have been up here. So I was taken out at break even on this bar, but that should have basically what happened is I didn't get filled on my take profit because the take profit is in this bar here. You know what? Let me tell y'all something. I don't give a god dang, okay? I don't care. What the fuck? Just a random assortment of pink flowers. Aw. Show us a picture in the Discord if you still got one. Like, let's look. Applejacks, help us, God, please. Because what? Y'all, I was just so happy, like, oh, TP, because I knew if I took profit, I would be up like $1,260. And I would be back at full drawdown. But you know what? She doesn't care. We're out. So let me show y'all the account. Because I don't give a damn. I'm out of here. I don't even know where my snipping tool. Oh, up there. Okay. This is a hot ass mess. But let's talk about the positive. The positive is I didn't lose any trades. Any trades that I missed was just when that market was just insane. So I don't even count that. Well, not any of them. Some of them I did still miss, which is fine. With me only being on day 2, I'll take that. All right, I'm trying to make sure because what I see and what you guys see is a little different. So that's the positives. So out of the 4 trades, I had full wins on two, a break even, and another, I guess you could say break even. It was like 5 ticks. So the fact that my rules, as of how I have them set up, took no losses, that's all a girl can ask for. And like I said, it's nice to see that it still works after 10 o'clock, which is important because that's when volume and volatility dries up. So I'm still trying to trade volume. So it probably is just because of how volatile today is, but that's all right. So we got a profit of $900.88. You can see here that my balance is at 51,906.08. So I have my trailing drawdown is static at 50,000 at this point. So I'm at $1,900 in drawdown. Close enough. That's how we're gonna go into tomorrow. Like I said, I'm probably still only going to trade this particular account. Probably until at least Wednesday. I kind of want to see when the market is a little bit more normal tomorrow and I'm taking trades. I want to see how everything works out. But if I have another great day tomorrow, I probably will put all my other accounts back on starting Wednesday and we'll see from there. Well, hello, Rangamo. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for the sub. But yeah, it's saying clearly they said I was winning too much. Thank you for the positive spin. She's learning Applejacks. I know how to spin things positively. Like, even legit, this is going to sound so crazy. With all of the progress that I made, trading order flow and volume combined, and as annoyed as I was for like those 2 weeks of having just flat days almost every other day, I had the one day that was like super red. I am always grateful that the lessons that I learned, whether I'm having to make a full blown like change to my strategy, like going from volume only to order flow to looking at this and going to a combination to now going back to volume. I am happy that I learned that lesson of, hey, I need to switch this before I'm trading in PAs. Y'all know my goal is to never fail a PA, okay? It probably won't happen, knock on wood. I hope it does. I hope my discipline stays what it is, and I hope my strategy continues to work regardless of the market conditions. But I'm always happy that I figure that out before I trade my PAs, because there's nothing worse than thinking that you're ready and then when it counts, when you're in the accounts that count, you start failing. I don't want that to happen. But like I said, I really think so far I like what I see with trading only volume. The only thing is that when the volume of the swing before the pullback is less volume than the previous swing in the same direction, I have basically nothing. Whether it's direction of the trend or counter trend, right now I don't have anything. So I'm going to have to make sure that as I'm journaling, I continue to write those in. I think what I have right now for the other volume pattern, I think what I have is set, is solid. I don't feel like it's going to change. But I have to figure something out for that. And it might be that, hey, that volume pattern just doesn't work because it's already showing you that whatever the trend is already kind of drying up a little bit. So we'll see what happens. We'll see. I was about to say you still learned a lot with the other show. I did, Amelia. I even told my mom Friday. Was it Friday? Yeah, it was Friday. I told her, I said, as irritated as I can get sometimes because I feel like, damn, I should already have it figured out, or I feel like you're too intelligent. Why is the market winning? Like, it's winning right now because you keep having to change things, or you're making progress and then you're going backwards. I honestly can say that every time I made the full blown change to my strategy, I learned so much in whatever that couple of month time frame was, that when I made the switch to another strategy, whether it's adding something, taking something away, whatever, the only reason each strategy got better and better and I made more progress over time, because even though with the other ones, before I did order flow and volume combined, even though with the other ones I wasn't passing my evals, I wasn't failing them either. Before, when I first started on YouTube, I had to have 4 accounts because I needed an account to renew every single week because I was failing them in the first week. Then I started noticing, okay, well, you really don't even need this many accounts because your accounts are literally lasting until it's time to renew. Now, you might not have as much progress in the account as you want, but I'm not failing them. Like, I would have to purposely fail them the day before renewal every single time. So I can see the progress regardless of what the P&Ls were each day. The progress is absolutely there, but I definitely saw the most progress with the order flow and volume combination. And I'm hoping that because of how much progress I made then, that the progress with trading volume only is even more significant. It makes sense that it would, right? So we'll see. We'll definitely see. But that's it for me today, you guys. I'm going to go journal, and I probably have way too much energy now to even take a nap, but I'm going to attempt to. But if you guys need me, hit me up on Discord. I hope you guys enjoyed this long ass stream. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning at 8:45 Central Standard Time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.